You are watching 2+ Nevada. Joining us this afternoon, Chris Poulin of 911 Restoration. And with it being spring, we are starting to see more rodents, and also bears are waking up or are awake from hibernating and are starting to break in. So these are some issues that you can really help people out with.
Absolutely. So what we do a lot of times, the rodents are down here. Obviously, most of the break-ins are going to be, a lot of them tend to be on the west shore of Lake Tahoe, Homewood, Tahoma. So typically this time of year, they come out of hibernation, they're hungry, the houses are vacant. They love to break in through the windows or doors or the front doors. And a lot of times they tend to go to the fridge, cabinets, start eating up all the food and kind of really damaging the house. And that's probably coming up here in the next month or two. They'll start waking up and kind of breaking into houses.
Well, last month I installed security cameras around our home, and I saw a raccoon running around the side of our house. And that was last month. So also, because we haven't really had much of a winter, maybe it started earlier too.
Yeah, a lot of times with the rodents, what we run into, there's two situations, mostly with the rodents. Sometimes in the Lake Tahoe homes, the houses that stay vacant, the once in a while squirrels or something will come in there and they'll just run around tearing up the house and using the restroom, just ripping everything up, or mice as well. And then as well as the crawl space. So then there's rodents that get in the crawl space, raccoons. They like to pull down all of the insulation, make nest, poop and pee everywhere. And they really make a mess down in the crawl spaces. And so we get in there, we clean that all up, disinfect it. Same with the house. We'll go through, clean up the whole house, vacuum it, HEPA clean all the air, and kind of really get it, to a clean standard, and call in a hygienist after that to do testing, air samples, and all that type of stuff, because some people are real sensitive about having a nice, clean house. So.
And to think that rodents can do all of that damage, but they can do significant damage.
They do a lot of damage. It can get real expensive. They start tearing up the drywall, the cabinets. They chew on the cabinet doors. They scratch the floor, so it can be really expensive. And then down the hallways, we'll use black lights to check the hallways on the drywall and stuff, and you'll see kind of where they urinate down the walls and stuff like that.
Okay. I'm sorry. But now let's also talk about bears, especially up at Lake Tahoe, but we're starting to see them in the city as well. With bears breaking into homes, what do those damages look like, and restoration?
They damage the floors by scratching them with their claws. They break the cabinets. I've seen them break the refrigerators, break the stoves. They try to get in there and just kind of grab the door. I've seen them break the cabinets. And then what they'll do is they'll use like the restroom facility, then they'll kind of walk around your house and jump on your bed and your couch and kind of infect that with whatever there's on their paws and stuff. And insurance covers a lot of this to get it built back to place, but they usually damage. And for some reason, in a lot of the ones I've seen, they turn the water on, like at the sink or something. I'm not exactly sure why, but when they crawl through the window, or I've seen a lot of times they turn on the sink.
Wow, that's
And so crazy. It causes water damage as well.
Okay, and then you bring up insurance, and that's one thing that I think people at home really need to remember, is that when you come in for any restoration project, first and foremost, you're helping people get their life back, and you also help them with that insurance process.
Absolutely. We try to walk them through the whole process, help them file the claim, make sure they have all the proper documentation, and that way the claim goes as smooth as possible.
So when you're talking about these bears, because I'm imagining the bears are tearing off cabinet doors and they're sitting on the couches. So in that, there's going to be food or dishes loss because of the cabinets. And then there's going to be furniture damage, as well as if they were all over all that carpet. So there are layers of insurance with that I didn't even think of.
Yeah, they break the doors to go in, break the windows. So we come there, we have a board up service. So we have a whole trailer designed for riots or anything that will come and board up your house. So we'll come board up the house. I've been into some houses too where I'm like let's say house cleaner or someone went there, saw there was a bear break in. Then they call us to go look, and I'm walking in there by myself, and I'm a little we yell and see if I hear the bear still. But we go inside, we board up the house, we get it secure, and then we start the cleanup process, take all the proper pictures and stuff. And if the homeowner's not going through insurance, then, we provide them a bid. If they are going through insurance, we provide them a bid, make sure we get everything covered up front, speak with the adjuster to make sure everything's covered. There's a lot of things too that are typically covered in a bear break-in that some people don't think. So whatever the bear touches technically needs to be cleaned or replaced. If it's, I've even seen it to where it's tile flooring and tile countertops, and the homeowner then has the option whether they want to get that torn out and replaced due to it being infected. So I've seen some, pretty interesting things with the bear break-ins on what the coverage issues are.
Wow. All right. Well, you will help folks navigate all of that. If anyone needs your help, 911 Restoration, where do they go?
Google, Chat GPT, all the search engines, just type in 911 Restoration Reno, 911 Restoration Lake Tahoe, will pop right up. Please give us a call. We look forward to working with you. Hopefully you don't need to call us, but if you do, we'll be ready.
Chris, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
You're watching 2 Plus U Nevada.